Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sair. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me on my social media at Slayedbysair. So, my idea for this video, I had to think kind of long and hard, and I thought to myself, what are things all my clients or friends always ask me? Well, they ask me how to do my eyebrows. Did that. How I do my natural beats. Did that. How do I contour and highlight? Didn't do that. So today, as you can tell from the title down below, I am doing how to contour and highlight your face. So let's get into the video. Now, when it comes to highlighting your face, you want to use a color that is about 1 to 2 shades lighter than you. I like to use a Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I just take it and apply it straight to my face. And you want to conceal a good amount of your nose. And I don't like to pull it out too far, I just stop it right at the end of my eye. And I just do a little bit on my forehead, a little on my chin. And like you just did on your other eye. You want to pull out too far. And you want to conceal a good amount of your nose. Not too much because we still have to contour. Now, to contour, today I'm going to go in with the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro. So it just looks like this. Yeah, it looks kind of crazy. So I'm going to go on a brush like this. And I'm just going to go in with these two colors right here. And I'm just going to go right by my jawbone. Cheekbone, bro. Repeat on the other side. And you want to stop about right here. You don't want to go too far because it just won't look right. And I contour very lightly, cream contour very lightly, because I don't really like to cream contour. But I'm doing it for the sake of this video, you know, to help you guys learn. And then you're going to want to go in with a brush like this, kind of compacted, but still fluffy. And you're going to choose the same two colors and go down the bridge of your nose, from your brow down, like that. Just like that. Now I'm going to go in with this side of my beauty blender. I'm just going to blend out that contour. You can also use a brush to blend it out, but I just like to go in with my beauty blender. And you also want to go back and finish contouring your nose. Now, I'm going to finally go in and highlight the bridge of my nose like this. Just want to add a straight line. Also, I love looking really highlighted under my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Tape Shape and just add a couple dabs. And then you're going to go in with the next clean part of your beauty blender and blend away. And then use the bottom of your beauty blender to use the leftover foundation to make sure everything comes together nicely. And then continue highlighting the rest of your face. just like that. Now you're gonna want to go in with the part of your choice. Today I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the number 30. You guys see me use this in previous videos. So as you just seen, I just dusted off my face a little bit. I like to dust off any of the powder that's not seeped into my face, just so I don't look cakey. After that, I go in with a setting spray, and like always, I'm using the Pearl Essence Coconut and Rose Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, so after the setting spray is dried, I like to go in with a face powder and a fluffy brush. And as I know, I use the Sephora face powder in Neutral Mocha. You're gonna make sure you pat for the most part and first before you start sweeping, because you don't want to end up taking any product off your face. Now, after you set your face with powder, you're gonna wanna go in with your contour palette or your contour color. And as you guys know, I use the Morphe Contour Kit in 06 PW. And I use these two colors. And I go in with this brush. This brush is from Wet n Wild. And what you want to do is you just want to lightly, ladies, buff that contour. Brush that contour under your cheekbone. And you always want your contour to look noticeable, but not like, whoa. And then I'm just gonna go on a brush like this and use the same two colors to contour my nose. And you just wanna apply the powder, contour powder, right where you applied the cream. And remember, you want to go from your eyebrow and follow that line. And I like to apply some right here to kind of lift my nose up, kind of to give it more of a button nose look. And I'm just going to go back in with my beauty blender with some powder on it and clean up those lines. I'm gonna take my brush with my face powder and just blend everything out. Now, though your face is contoured, you want your face to come back alive, you know, some liveliness. So I'm going to go in with two of my favorite highlighters. I'm going to use the color Sandcastle from the Kilowatt Foil Fenty Beauty, this color right here. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Molten Gold. And I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush. And this is a Morphe M501. So I'm gonna pick up the Molten Gold and just apply it to my cheekbone, just like that. Above my Cupid's bow. A little on my chin. And a little on my forehead. It's only my forehead looking too, you know? And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty one. And just add a little bit right on top of that Maybelline. And to highlight my nose, I'm gonna go in with a brush like this, and I'm just gonna go in with both the same colors. And I do a little dot right at the tip of my nose, and then go down the bridge. Just like that. And I'm just gonna do the same with the second color. And you're gonna wanna do the same to your eyebrow bone. Give yourself a pretty glowy look. And that is it. This is how you cream, contour, and powder contour and highlight.
Let's go.